Hey everyone, it's Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today I wanted to go over the Silt Stitch. This stitch is a beginner-friendly stitch. It is a multiple of 2. It uses a multiple of 2 for the chain, and I've already chained up 14 for that. And then it's just using basic crochet stitches. So let's get started. In the second chain from the hook, you are going to put a half double crochet. And from there, you are going to put in a single crochet stitch, and then into the next, a double. And that is the repeat for this row. It's single crochet, followed by a double crochet. And I'm going to work that all the way along until the last chain, which will be a half double crochet. So I'll meet you up at the end. Okay, so I'm coming to the end, and in the second to last stitch, I'm putting a single crochet stitch, and then I'm going to go into the last chain with a half double crochet. And that is actually the repeat for the entire, this entire stitch. And it creates this really nice texture. So for row number 2, I'm going to chain 1, and then into that very first stitch, I am going to work a half double crochet. So the first stitch and the last stitch are always half double crochets. And the pattern repeat is single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. And again, starting with a half double crochet and ending with one. And that helps the project stay more full because the single crochets drive the yarn down. So the next one will be a single crochet and followed by a double crochet. And then a single crochet followed by double crochet. So I'm just going to work a few more rows of this, and I will meet you up at the end to show you what a small swatch looks like in the Silt Stitch. See you soon. Okay, so I've come to the end of a few rows, and as you can see, this is what the Silt Stitch looks like in a small swatch. It almost looks like columns of work because all of the double crochets are worked on top of each other, and all of the single crochets are worked on top of each other as well. So it gives a really interesting texture, and it's not raised at all. There's no raised portion to it, but it looks quite nice, worked up even in a fine yarn. And that's really all there is to the stitch. Super beginner friendly. It just uses single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you stay tuned for more. Thank you.